Hi, today I'm running the CROSSCALL Core M5 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to this sound section. Here you'll see media, coloring, alarm and notification volume panels, and just to change volumes you should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panel. We could turn on and turn off the down the start mode to change the color ringtones. In media section we could pin media player and to show media recommendations with the help of the switchers. Let's go back. Here we got also the vibration for calls. We could switch it from never to vibrate always and vibrate first then ring gradually. Let's go back. We could also switch default notification and alarm sounds to use the vibration when taking a call, when ending the call, to activate and turn off the dial pad tones, the screen lock and lock sounds, touch sounds and touch vibration. Just with the help of the switchers we could turn on and turn off all of these options. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.